Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Richard in North Carolina on this present Lincoln 2 Plus. Richard got it all ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment. We also upgraded the voltage regulator, and we pulled out the two FQP 13N10s in the final section, and dropped in some Vishay irf520s. And let me show you what we got. Our power all the way down, 25 watt slug. That's 1 watt. Roll it all the way up. It's 5 watts. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Oh, at 22, 23 bird average. 50 watt slug in PEP. Oh, 50 watts on the money. Roll it all the way down. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty, Richard's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.